All right, so today we have a thermal vacuum carafe. So special thanks to this company for sending it to me. I must say, I didn't really know what a carafe was until I got this. Trigger action layer, easy one-stop, easy one-hand operation, spill-proof top, PP plus TPR handle, increased resistance and anti-skid, double layer vacuum structure, high quality stainless steel, strong thermal installation performance, PP plus TPR bottom, increases resistance and non-slip, one-piece design, advanced welding technologies are elegant and beautiful. And its capacity is 34 ounces. Just their logo on the top. Got some information about the material selection and the vacuum double layer structure and replacement of consumable parts, and then 34 ounce thermal vacuum carafe and their logo again. So back, care and use. So please read the instructions. It prevents injuries. Keep the bottle out of reach of children. Wash the bottle, blah, blah. Do not fill with gas or liquids such as dry ice. Do not microwave or freeze. Interesting. All right. Let's open this on up. I am dying to see this thing because I've never seen one in person, I guess. So let's take it out. Oh, and then, well, that's it for the box. The product instructions: do not use bleach, detergent containing chlorine to clean this product. Prohibited to use in microwave ovens. It's prohibited. Do not pour liquids that are prone to high pressure. Avoid storing hot milk. And we got some cleaning instructions here. And then we have the actual carafe. So the bottom, this is what they meant by the rubber, so that way it sits there and doesn't really move, as you can tell. I like the handle, very, very good handle there. And you can see the pour spout, very good. It feels, the quality of this feels amazing. I mean, of course it's thermal and made out of basically steel, but just, it feels like a great quality product. Let's unscrew our lid, and then you can see down in there where it holds our 34 ounces of fluid. And yeah, very, very nice. So it seems like we could basically, wow. So when you push that down, it opens that up and then allows it to flow through. So I guess this only kind of goes in one way. Yeah. There we go. So yeah, it's right back, you know, where it was before. So yeah, it goes in one way. It knows how to close itself. It holds 34 ounces, and as thick as it is, it should keep things warm, hot, whichever one you're trying to achieve here with this carafe. So very cool. I think that will do it. I think that will do it for this unboxing. Hopefully you've liked the unboxing, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Deuces.